Hi guys, welcome to my channel about AI. My name is Julia and I'm so excited to see you on my channel. You can't even imagine. Yeah. In this video, I want to show you how to create a video using Luma AI. This tool is actually really great because this AI can generate videos or transitions or animations of your images in a really good way with a high quality of animation. That's why I've decided to create this tutorial about how to use this tool for creating your first videos, first animations of your images. If you don't know who I am, I'm an AI content creator. I create videos about using AI tools for life and business, and also I create videos for fashion industry, and today I'll show you some of my works. Right now you can see my Instagram page. Please follow me on Instagram and share your opinion, write comments. This means a lot for me. Let's start our tutorial. What do I do? How you can find Luma AI? You just need to write Luma AI in Google. I hope the first page gonna be Luma Dream Machine. Dream Machine is a neural network that creates these animations. This is the tool of Luma AI. The right address of this AI is lumalabs.ai/dream machine. And this is the site of this tool. If you want to try to create some videos, you don't have to pay because Luma has a free plan, but it's limited. You can create up to 10 generations per day and up to 30 generations per 1 month for free. We can authorize on this website. Actually, I'm already authorized. This is the page that you can see after authorization, and all of these creations below are mine. I've created them a few hours or a few days ago, and later at the end of this video I'll show you my creations. Okay, how to use it, what you need to do. Actually, this is really simple, and you don't need to read a lot of tutorials or watch a lot of tutorials to create a simple animation. Of course, if you want to use it, like in advanced way for some serious projects, you may need to read tutorials, to watch tutorials. I'm going to film another tutorials for advanced users later, so be sure that you subscribe to my channel. But today I want to show you a tutorial just for beginners. Okay, for example, you have two images and you want to create some transition, to transform one image into another image, and then later to edit this into a whole video. Okay, I have a few images right here. You can see the preview. I don't like it. I wanted to show you this in the end of this video, but okay. So I have a few images, like okay, I'll show you like this, or like this, like this. Yeah, I wanted to create a video for Chanel. I don't work with them, but this video that I've recently created was inspired by Chanel new fragrance. You can see it in my Instagram, link in the description of this video. Okay, this is my images, and I want to create transition between two of these images. Yeah, how to do it? You need to click on this icon, then choose the first image, for example this one, and then click here and choose another image, like this. Yeah, and actually this is it. You need to click enter or this button, and the Luma AI will start to generate this transition. But if you want to suggest some ideas for this AI, you can write it here. Like, for example, camera movement, and that's it. This AI will understand that you want to, like movement of camera, and it will move from the top to the bottom or from the left to the right. If you want some specific movement, you also can write it right here and just type like camera movement from the top to the bottom, and that's it. And here you can see this checkbox, what it means. If you've checked this checkbox, it means this AI will improve your suggestion for this AI. It will understand better what to do. And if this checkbox will be switched off, it means that AI will, apply right what you've wrote. This is not a good decision, but if you suggest something really detailed, it may work, but not always. I usually use this checkbox, it switched on, and Luma AI creates transition really well. Okay, I won't press this button because on a free plan it may take a few hours, really a few hours, maybe more than 10 hours to create a transition, so we won't see this result of this operation right now. So I'll show you what I've created recently, a few hours or a few days ago, with the same images. Okay, let me show you this one. Yeah, my first image was a drop of the water, and the second image was this fragrance bottle. How I've created, you can see that this is not a real fragrance bottle. And you may ask me how I've created this, both of these images. These images I've created with another AI called Midjourney. If you need tutorial about Midjourney, just let me know about it in the comments. But anyway, I'll record another tutorial about Midjourney soon. Yeah, this is the transition between two images, and I didn't suggest any text for AI. This text, also called prompt, you can see this prompts in another AIs, also like Midjourney. Yeah, so this is not a text, this is actually a prompt. And even ChatGPT knows what does this mean. He can suggest you different prompts for another AIs, like Luma AI or Midjourney or Crea AI and Runway and other AI tools. Yeah, let's see another examples like this. So the first image was the bottle of the fragrance, and the second image was a drop of the water. This example, this is vice versa. So the first image is a drop of the water, and the second image is a bottle of the fragrance. Yeah. Here both of the images was with drop of the water, but this was different images, two different images. You can see that this transition, this animation, I've tried to create 2 days ago, but it's still not ready. I don't think that this animation will ever be ready, so I just forget about this. Yeah, this is another example. Yeah, it may be not, like ideal, but for AI, I think this is like something out of this world, because you can create these animations really fast. This animation is actually really funny. I can't see that I'm gonna use it in any commercial projects, but it's just funny. Yeah, this another example. Yeah, this is beautiful. I like it. Yeah, I like it. So as I said, the final result you can see at my Instagram page, the link in the description of this video. And that's it. It takes like, a few minutes to create animation, and a few hours maybe to wait for this animation to be ready. But you don't have to have any like advanced or serious skills to create such animations. This is really mind-blowing. So I hope this video was useful for you, so don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. See you in the next videos.